It's been buzzing coronation all over social media. Charles III and Camilla, his wife, will be crowned the king and queen of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth realms. Guys, what have you been eating for breakfast this coronation week? I introduced to you banana frittata. You will love this so much. It is colorful, delicious, and tastes absolutely amazing. Let's make it. Here I have my bell pepper. This is a red bell pepper. It is rich in vitamin A. If you watched my last video, my last cooking video, I said I'm a bell pepper girl. I love bell peppers so much. Bell peppers are lovely, they taste good, they look good, they are absolutely amazing. Bell peppers have fibers, they are rich in fibers, they'll help you with your bowel movement. I really love bell peppers. I can even chew them. You can incorporate them in your salad. Bell peppers are simply good. They are rich in vitamin C as well. This is the green bell pepper. I'm also chopping it just like I chopped the red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper. I do this very fast so I can save some time and enjoy this week, especially this coronation week. If you made it to this point, please hit the subscribe button. I know you like this video. Please like this video. I also have the carrot. I chop up this carrot so fast, I don't need to waste time. Then here are my bananas. Bananas are lovely, you know bananas, but then we're going to give this a special touch for this recipe. I know you will love this recipe so much. Please do give it a try, and also be sure to come back to this channel and watch more videos, and also hit the subscribe button. That's a good way to appreciate this video, by subscribing to the channel. Here I have my frying pan and I'm putting some oil into the frying pan. This is vegetable oil. I'll be deep frying this next thing you saw, which is the bananas. I'm salting these bananas right now, and I gently massage it just so that the salt goes round the bananas. Like the bananas have to get the taste of a little salt, and that is very tasty. Next, I deep fry the bananas. This is a sizzling vegetable oil. We're gonna be frying this for about 10 minutes. Flip from time to time so it fries evenly. You get this golden brown, and when that is done, you take it out of the oil so it doesn't burn further. I'm done frying the bananas. I get a clean bowl and I add some eggs into this bowl. Here I have about 7 eggs and I season to taste. Guys, I'll just be using salt, pepper and curry, but season to taste as you love. And also you add some onions. This will enrich the taste. You get a lovelier taste of this frittata. Next, add some carrots, the bell pepper. Here I have the green bell pepper, the yellow bell peppers, and next the red bell peppers. Just like I do. This is so simple to make and everyone will love this. Everyone you make it for will absolutely love it. Next, I add some oil. This is an banana flavored oil. This is the oil I used to fry the bananas. I simply add about 3 tablespoons of oil into the egg mix, and then with the help of a hand whisk everything together. Just nicely incorporate all ingredients. The egg is properly whisked now and it's lovely. Get a pan, use your baking pan, your oven pans for this. Well lined. I lined my pan with some baking sheets and also applied some flour around it so my egg doesn't burn. This frittata doesn't have to burn. I pour in the egg mix into the pan and then I'll be sending it into an oven for about 30 minutes or thereabout. I need it to cook properly because the bell pepper had some water in it, so it will stay a bit longer in the oven. This banana frittata recipe is also perfect for breakfast. You can incorporate it for your lunch and maybe have it for dinner if you love it. Next, I top with some fried bananas. The bananas I just fried. Top it and place it nicely around your frittata mix. Just top it to give it that beautiful look. This will be a lovely breakfast, perfect for everyone. The children are gonna love this because it's so colorful. All done, send it to the oven for about 30 minutes, and when it's ready, tap it in the middle to be sure your frittata is firm. With the help of a knife, I gently go round the pan to get out the frittata. Now done with the knife, when I'm done, I take the pan and gently flip it. Guys, be careful with this little flip, yeah? Here you have it, your beautiful banana frittata, perfect for the coronation morning and the coronation week. Wow, what a beautiful golden deliciousness. We need to slice into it. I need to see what it looks like. I bet you want to see what the inside looks like. So let's take a look at it. I slice into it and see what it looks like. Guys, this is so good and it is beautiful. I love it. Just let's have a look at the inside. Wow, this looks so amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Do have a beautiful day ahead and always stay tuned for more food content.